Welcome the our channel. Today we how to improve data collaboration with Airtable step by step clearly. Begin by defining your data collaboration goals. Identify the key team members who will be involved in the process. Create an Airtable account if you do not already have one. Design a base for your project, ensuring it reflects your collaboration goals. Add relevant tables to your base to categorize your data. In each table, define the fields you need, such as text, numbers, or attachments. Customize field types according to the data you'll be inputting. Populate your tables with existing data or enter new information as needed. Set up linked records to connect related tables for enhanced data integrity. Utilize views to filter and sort data based on specific criteria. Create forms to gather data from team members or stakeholders seamlessly. Share your base with team members, specifying their access levels. Encourage team members to comment directly on records for real-time feedback. Implement automation features to streamline repetitive tasks. Regularly review and update your data to maintain accuracy and relevance. Train team members on how to effectively use Airtable for collaboration. Assemble a feedback loop to continuously improve the use of Airtable within your team. Monitor collaboration metrics to assess the impact of your data collaboration efforts. Adjust your strategies based on feedback and performance insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.